These players need to do. The first one coming up. Hits it well. It's high. It's high. Oh, he stopped it. Great fielding effort. That was great effort. Oh, God. Another run. They want to go for the second one. We'll wait for the replay. What happened there? Oh, it's exciting times here in this game. A great effort, it seems like, in the end from the fielder stationed at long on.
Tremendous work by the long on fielder. Terrific. Have a look at this. Goes for the big one, connects it properly, thinks he's got a 6 for that. Goes again, but this time it's straight to long on. He misfields. They're going back for second, and they get it back easily. And it's all happening out there.
4 of the first 2 deliveries, 6 needed now from 4 deliveries. What a game this has turned out to be. Look at the dugout of both these sides. We are laughing here, but they are so tensed. But we are enjoying this. This is pulsating stuff here in this thrilling encounter. Tigers versus Strikers. Mohanlal so tensed. 6 needed from 4 deliveries. A short pitch delivery from Mukundan. It's gone up in there and been taken by the wicket keeper. So one more wicket falls, that of Saugata. He has to go back to the pavilion.
Well, another twist in the tail. As you were talking, that is there a twist? Here it is. Well, tried to charge down the track but bounced very cannily by the bowler, and the wicket keeper has done a tremendous job diving in front. Rajiv is the wicket keeper. And again they've struck just when we thought that
Raja hits it well, straight to the fielder. They're not running hard. They should run the first run hard. Try and squeeze one more run. So now it's 5 needed from 2 deliveries. Oh God, what a game. Thrilling finish.
it's exciting, isn't it? 2 balls remaining, 5 runs to get. There's a new man out there, Indranish. This is a very important ball coming up, Sabha, the penultimate ball.
They only get a single of the 5th delivery, so 4 needed now from 1 delivery. Oh, where is this game heading? You need 1 blow the Tigers. They need to restrict the Strikers to win this game. 4 to win from 1 delivery. Mukundan has bowled a wonderful over so far. He has just given away 6 runs. Prayers, divine intervention. In the end, it is up to the players inside the ground to make a match out of this. Where will this go? Will Bengal Tigers remain in the hunt by winning this game, or will they bow out?
2020 cricket at its very best. It has come to the last ball of this game. They still need 4 runs. They're still in the hunt. He just needs to decide where he's going to hit the boundary, and accordingly Mohanlal, who's out there in the dugout, is the skipper. He's marshalling his troops from the dugout. This is what the excitement is all about of CCL. A tremendous game.
The last one coming up. Expectations high. What happened? He goes big. He doesn't connect. It goes straight in the air. Where will it go? Oh, he drops it. What is Raja doing? Why isn't he running? Oh, they have won. They have won the game. It is Kerala Strikers. They win this match. They needed 4 of the last delivery. It was Raja on strike who hit this one hard, high in the air. It was dropped by the fielder at long on. But in the end, they managed to